Hello world, this is ML and I am back with another video vlog. But this time I'll be doing a hotel review. The name of the hotel is Aloft here in Charlotte Airport. Now before I proceed, this is not a sponsored video. Okay, all right. We're going to start off with the emergency evacuation plan. So I'm at the first floor. There you go. On the door, you have your peephole. Your door tags. Do not disturb. Same message on the other side. Your doorstop. I think that's a nice touch. To my left, nice closet. You have your mini ironing board. And you have 3 metal hangers. All right. I like the design on the background here. On the bottom, you have your safe. I was trying to fool around with it, but I couldn't open it. Oh well. And you have your iron here. Moving on to the left, you have your 2 drawers space. What we have here, okay, it's like a form for your dry clean and laundry. Soft close. On the bottom, soft close. You could put your stuff here, okay? Ample towels, extra toilet tissue or toilet paper, hair dryer, waste bin. That's nothing. More tissue paper, body bar, dry bar, 2 wash rags, okay, sturdy. You have your sink and your mirror. Pace. Okay. Your toilet where you could hang your towel. Okay. Clean. Clean, clean. Coming out the bathroom, you have a place where you can hang your towel, the door closed for privacy, just in case your significant other, you don't want nobody to bothering you. There you go. All right. Nice floor rag, shower. The switch is here, but the shower head is not. Very modern. Shower head is there. Okay. With 3 soaps. Starting from the left to the right, shower gel, shampoo, and conditioner. Nice. I like the bottom there. I like the drainage design. Backsplash. Okay. Nice touch. Clean. Clean, 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 clean. Okay. Moving along. You have a full size mirror. Let me back up. Do that. Peace. All right. To my right, you have your little lounge area here. Unexpected happens here. I'm here at Aloft. Okay. Nice little lounge set. Your thermostat. Also, your charging ports. Oh, that's cool. Very modern. I like this lounge area. My view, since I'm on the first floor, there goes my view. Clear skies, clear blue skies. Okay, nice. Have your little residence out there. Police, uh-oh. Your table, got a table. Scroll this down. All right. I don't know if this is a blackout curtain, but I think it would darken the room. I don't know, maybe. You have your table here. Okay. And you have ice buckets. Okay. Coffee maker. 100% Arabica. Chamomile tea. And another tea with your stirrer and sugar packets. Now on the bottom, we have a smart fridge, very modern. Okay. Very cool, very modern. Okay. You have your AC unit. And then above that, you have your entertainment system, your TV. Okay, you have your rug in the bedroom. You have your nightstand, the Book of Mormon, your lamp, your phone, your remote, pen and a pad, okay, and your bed. I'm gonna step back a little bit, and that's your bed, okay? And this the whole entire room, very modern. I like the design, I like that, you know. And there's your bed. I'm assuming this is a queen size bed with 4 pillows. And you have your nightstand as well. Okay, with a lamp here. Okay. Here's another angle of the bed from here. On this side, well, actually the whole entire room This is, I would like to say, laminated floor. I wouldn't assume that this is wood. Okay, now I just noticed that they have USB ports and regular plug for your recharge or your laptop if you want to work over here. And that's it. I really like this lounge section here. Nice touch. And there you go. My final thoughts. First and foremost, let's discuss the bus shuttle service. So the way it works, just call up the number of the hotel. I got picked up at pickup zone 1, and the shuttle will pick you up. The shuttle driver were very friendly and social. I didn't get his name, but he recommended a few spots to eat at tonight, so I'll be checking them out. Now, the check-in process was a breeze. Just asked for my identification. I gave him my passport and gave me the key card. Easy, in less than 2 minutes. I was already in the room in less than 2 minutes. So the room is located on the ground floor. As you can see on the view that I have. So about the room, everything here is modern, from the closet, bathroom, shower, toilet, the lounge area, the beds, the table, even the charging station. Modern, clean, okay, clean, and no complaints. If you like what I'm doing, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Any questions, leave it on a comment box. Thank you for watching. Now, once again, this is ML from KadeersTV. Hello, world. Bye, world. Pray.